Now take a look at this bad boy right here. This is a 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off Road. Has about 8,000 miles and I picked it up this week. Now it actually came with a few mods already attached. Looking at this right here, you can see it has some rough country running boards. I really liked those. Wide step there, plenty of room to get in and out. Looking at the back here, this is a long bed, and so that's going to give me a full 6 feet in the back instead of the traditional 5 for the short bed. I did have a short bed before this with my 2017 Tacoma, and so it's going to be nice to have that extra foot to work with when I'm trying to go camping. Now this truck did come with this BAKFLIP cover right here. You can see that piece is sort of coming off already, but that folds up so you could have some open space. Now with only 8,000 miles on the truck, you can tell there's not too much abuse on the back of this truck here. It has a nice little outlet and a nice little spot for storage. I'm not truly going to be able to utilize either of those whenever I put in the deck system, but you can definitely tell there's more space in the back. And of course with that hardcover close, it's going to be waterproof, so you have some dry storage there. This truck did come with the stock off-road wheels. They look great, however I already have some wheels to replace them after I throw on my lift kit. Looking in the back seat, you can see there's some storage behind the seats. There's going to be some storage on the other side as well. And when we go and pop the hood, you can see there's just a latch right there. You're going to throw that open. Everything looks very nice under the hood. It's a V6, everything's really clean at the moment, so I was really happy with that. Now the last item that came with the truck is the WEATHERTECH mats. These are nice, you could just take them out, rinse them off if they get dirty, so I love having those in the truck. Now it is a push start, so you don't have to take the keys out of your pocket, which I absolutely love. Looking at the screen, it's a little bit bigger than my 2017, so I like that. Of course, now this one does have Apple CarPlay and Android CarPlay. You just plug it into that USB and you're good to go. So most people are just going to use that anyways. Right next to it is the button that will turn on the wireless charging pad. So you could just set your phone there and it will charge. And the button I'm pushing here is going to turn on the sensors that will help beep if you're getting too close to anything, backing up. Now, of course, you're going to have that backup camera, but that's a nice option to have. And that last button there, that's the blind spot monitoring. So you can see once that's on, you have a little spot on the mirror. If someone's in that blind spot, it's going to start flashing. Now opening up the middle console, I do not know if this organizer comes with the truck or if that's something the first owner added on. But there is 2 USB charging ports that you can charge other phones with. Now looking at the dashboard here, it's very similar to what I had in my 2017 Tacoma. I think the main feature that I didn't have that I have now is lane assist. So that is something that I'll be able to pull up here. But from here you can see your typical how many miles till empty, how fast you're going, how long the trip is, and all of your basic stats. Now the feature I really like with the off-roads is it does have a spot that tells you, of course, your tire pressure, but along with that, your pitch and roll. And that pitch and roll is going to be color coded, so it's going to be green when you're on level, a yellow when you're starting to tilt, and it's going to go straight to red whenever you're in a dangerous position. And you can see that that 4-wheel drive knob is right next to the air control. I do like the dual air control. Right now it's synced, so if I do the temperature, it's going to do both. I just hit that button, it unsyncs it, and gives me individual control for the left and right side of the car. Now the package that came with this truck didn't come with heated seats, which is probably the only feature that I'm going to miss from my 2017. And just so you can see what it looks like when it's in the dark, it has a nice blue color. The truck drives great. The only complaint I really have about the truck right now is, of course, whenever you have a black vehicle, it's going to be hard to keep clean, but I just love the look, so I decided to live with that pain. Now I already have a lift kit, some new tires, some new wheels, a bed rack, along with the deck's drawer system. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos of any of those mods being installed. Be sure to like and comment below, and thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.